Thank you for your purchase at Crystal Tractor. We prepared a short video of features and benefits. Welcome to the Crystal family.
Hi folks, Dave here with Crystal Tractor. Congratulations on the purchase of your 45 Series tractor and welcome to the Crystal family. Today I'd like to go over just a few basic features of your tractor. The 4540 is a 4-cylinder diesel engine equipped with the Mahindra Common Rail diesel engine. That means no regen, no DEF fluid. The tractor weighs with the loader just under 7,000 pounds. Your lift capacity with the loader is right at 2,800 pounds. The 45 Series is equipped with quick attach front bucket disconnects for quick and easy changing of your front loader attachments. It's also outfitted with a bucket level indicator. When the groove is flush, it means your bucket's level to the ground. The front loader is a quick attach. For further instruction on how to remove the front loader assembly, stop by one of our service centers or check out one of our other instructional videos. We're in the cockpit of the 45 Series tractor. We have our throttle control, turn signal, hazard lights, headlights, and of course our front loader joystick. This tractor is an 8-speed transmission, so you have 4 in high, 4 in low. To crank the tractor, we're going to go neutral with our high and low, neutral with our 1 through 4, engage the clutch, turn the key, allow just a second for the glow plugs, and fire the tractor up. To engage the parking brake, pull up on the lever. When in 4-wheel drive, to engage full locking differential, press down with your heel and then operate the throttle with your toe. To raise and lower the 3-point lift, press forward to lower, back to raise, and then your draft control setting. To engage the PTO, pull back on the lever. To disengage the PTO, press forward. You have 2 adjustments on the seat, forward and back, and then to adjust the cushion of the seat. On the rear of the 45 Series tractor, you'll find your 3-point linkage, drawbar, turnbuckle style adjustments, your top link, and cat 1 and 2 ball for a different size implement. Crystal and Mahindra have you covered with a best in industry 7-year warranty. Welcome to the Crystal family.